Alright guys, this package just came in, and what's inside of here will lead to lots of more giveaways on my channel. So if you want to learn more about that, and you like giveaways, stay tuned. Alright, I ordered this package from Golden State Mint. It's a website where you can buy lots of bullion and stuff. And they were having a Christmas deal for silver and copper rounds. And I saw that the copper rounds were really cheap. And I knew that copper rounds would be some really nice giveaways to do on my channel. So I decided to get some. And I did get some holiday themed ones. So these, I only have one copper round. Sorry, my bird's being really annoying. Let me try and shut her up, and then I'll continue to film. Sorry about that. Give me one sec. Alright, I got that all taken care of. So now let's open up the copper rounds here. So like I said, I only have one of these, and I actually will need scissors for this. So let me go grab some. Alright, instead of filming them individually unboxing, I just laid them all out here. I'll quickly show you them. And I won't get in detail on what they all say and look like, but I'll quickly show you them. So there's these two. Here's some Christmas ones with Santa. Say Merry Christmas, 2019 on the back. Very cool there. These are 1 ounce rounds right here. There's another one right here. Nice eagle design and space design there too. Like those two. These are definitely on the top of my list for sure. Not at the very top, but up there. So I have 2 more eagle designs and an American flag on the back. These are some cryptocurrency, I think. Yeah, some sort of cryptocurrency round design. So another great one. Yeah, I already showed these. And then one more. Another eagle design and another Christmas design. And then last but not least, we have some 2 ounce rounds. So here's a buffalo design. I love that. Never gets old. Golden State Mint. 2 ounces, 0.99 copper. Golden State Mint. And then the classic buffalo design. And then right here, this one, I'm not really sure. I think it might be a Mexican design. I don't know. It says 2 ounces, 0.99 fine copper. Then the back, it's got a really cool design there. Really, really detailed. I for sure like that one as well. Try and get up close, show all the detail. So that is definitely nice. These all have lots of luster, lots of cartwheel luster. Can't really get it in the flip that well, but you can kind of see. Very nice. So, and then let's get to my favorite one. We have another, or actually this is a different one. Look like some police. Not really sure what that design is about. The 2 ounces, I just ordered random ones, and they were like $2 each. And these were like, some of them were like 80 cents, and others were $1.20. So I got a pretty good deal on them. There was a sale for Christmas, so I took advantage of that. And I'm going to be using these for giveaways, if you didn't know already. So anyways, this is my favorite design out of all of these. It's a 2 ounce, and it's supposed to look like a 1909 SVDB. So there's the obverse. And then the reverse, I think this is pretty creative. It says 2 ounces instead of 1 cent. And then where it would say United States, it says 0.99 fine copper. So it actually says United States of America on a regular wheat cent. And then you have the VDB down there, and it says 2 ounces. So that's pretty awesome. And it says Golden State Mint up there instead of E pluribus unum. Not really sure how to pronounce that. But anyways, that's all of the rounds. So now let's talk about how I'll be giving these away. Alright, so I will be keeping these. I will be keeping this one for sure, but I might keep 1 or 2 more of the other ones, but all the other ones, all the rest, aside from maybe 3 of them, like I said, will be given away. So they won't be all given away at once. throughout my channel, I might just, maybe during a live stream, maybe a pop-up giveaway, or subscriber milestones. These could all be the whole giveaway or something, a part of a giveaway if I'm doing a big giveaway. So for Christmas, I will probably be giving away 2 of these sometime soon coming up here, because as I'm filming this video, it is the 11th. I will probably be uploading this video either the 11th, the 12th, the 13th. I'm not sure the actual date I'll be uploading this video, but Christmas is coming soon, so I do need to be making a giveaway video for these soon. I might actually post it after Christmas. I'm not sure. It depends on time. Only time will tell on when I'll do them. So this video is not a comment video or a giveaway video at all. I just was kind of using this video as an unboxing from Golden State Mint and showing you guys some future possible giveaways. So if you don't have any copper rounds, or you like copper rounds and you like these designs, then stay tuned and stick around on my channel, because you can have a good chance on winning them. So I hope you've enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and share. And bye.